video camera was recovered from the wreck site, and it was analyzed by Dave Garfield of the Weather Service in Norman. Using the timestamps and audio, the video actually didn't show too much at the end, but using the audio, they're actually able to figure out their entire chase route and where they were. You can see they started north of the tornado here, and they paralleled the tornado at very, very close range. At the beginning of its life cycle, the tornado makes a slight left jog there, and they actually had a mile north to get away from the tornado and put some more ground on it. Tim's chase strategy on this tornado was a lot like how he chased other tornadoes. On other events, he was north of the tornado, heading east. He had done the same chase on many other violent tornadoes. I think this was the one that he wasn't quite prepared for, the one that finally stuck out to him. But a very reasonable, experienced chaser, but with a very, very aggressive and I would say almost dangerous chase strategy here. And largely because he's trying to put probes in the path of this tornado. At US 81, they're debating whether or not the area to their south is rain or a tornado, because it's so heavily rain wrapped. A mile west of there, Tim's last words on the video are, "This is a dangerous location." That to me tells me that they realize the tornado is now turned on them and it's coming at them. They are quickly overtaken by the outer edge of the tornado circulation, very heavy wind and rain on the outer edge of that tornado. Their attempt to escape east is hindered massively by the circulation, and then they're overtaken by one of the more intense subvortices inside of that tornado. Here's our view of the storm at the time they're impacted. Again, you can see that there's not much of a condensation tunnel. This tornado is just a gigantic rotating wall of wind and rain. And you can see here they're inside of the tornado, but they're still more than a mile from the center point. Trying to make it east to get out ahead of this tornado still until a subvortex impacts them. This is a subvortex inside of the tornado as measured by the mobile Doppler radar. This is its track. And this is speculation on my part, but what I think happened was these guys were trying to go east to get ahead of this tornado. They saw the subvortex, much like Mike Bettis did. I think they stopped here to let it pass in front of them, but the vortex looped back and hit them. And that happened in a matter of seconds. There was just no time to react. We don't have their video. We do have video of the cars that were in front and behind them. That's Tim Samaras eastbound on Ruger Road. These guys are turning from US 81 north onto Ruger Road eastbound. This video is low quality, but it gives us a great idea of what the storm looked like at the time they were impacted. You can see off to the east, clear skies, looks nice and inviting. If I can just drive that way, if I can make it there, I'll be fine. But look to the right, this is a 2-mile wide tornado, and it is now turned left and it is coming right at them. So just this massive wall of tornado off to the right. These chasers are part of a tour group. This is one of the vehicles in the tour. The rain that's hitting their car, that's the outer edge of the tornado. You can see that's the right edge of the tornado there, just a massive tornado. These guys realize that the tornado has turned left and it's heading towards them. They turn around and they head back north on US 81. That maneuver saved their lives. This is Dan Robinson. This is the car ahead of Tim Samaras. He actually has a rear-facing camera that you can see Tim Samaras' headlights in. But here's the edge of the tornado. It's coming at him. It just overtakes him. Dan is caught inside of the tornado here for a few minutes. He's trying desperately to drive east to get out ahead of the tornado. He's just on the very edge of it here. And miraculously, he makes it out of this tornado and survives. He's hit again by winds later and is injured, but he makes it out of there. Tim is further back and falls behind. Okay, so what do we learn from these impact incidents? Chuck Doswell said that El Reno taught us not to drive into tornadoes. He's right. But why are storm chasers driving into tornadoes? I think it boils down to the escape routes. Every chaser and spotter needs an escape route. Chasers are ignoring the critical warning signs that they need to take their escape routes, and they're also picking the wrong escape routes. Okay, so when do we take an escape route? Anytime your safety is in jeopardy, severe winds, flooding, too much traffic, take your escape route. If you're in the path of a tornado, as soon as you recognize you're in the path, take your escape route. How do you know if you're in the path? Just take a few moments to watch that tornado's motion. If that tornado is moving right to your right or to your left, that tornado should pass to your right or to your left. If that tornado isn't moving right or left at all, you're in the path and you need to get out of that shelter.